There's something different about traveling with your parents. Growing up, we had little say in where our families took us. We just showed up and enjoyed it.
Good fun!
I remember a trip to Sri Lanka at 13. Van, resorts, the whole country covered in a week.
आंटी कैसा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे?
My wife remembers road trips across India in a Maruti 800 with her family. Neither of us understood then what it took to make those trips happen. We understand it now. Taking your parents on a trip as an adult is one of those significant experiences that sneaks up on you. The roles reverse so naturally, you almost don't notice it happening.
Takes like about half an hour to make. How's it going?
I actually like it.
Yeah.
It's nice, huh?
Suddenly, you're the one with the bookings, the directions, the plan.
Oh, nice.
And they, the people who spent years organizing everything so you could simply enjoy it, become the spectators.
यहाँ पे तो हाँ यहाँ पे ज़्यादा महंगा है correct.
ऐसे मैं देख के हर चीज का ना जब मैं
What strikes you is how willingly they let it happen. There's something deeply moving about that.
Yeah, very nice. Hello.
you want the water seat?
Kashmir does the work for you. You don't have to find the beauty, it finds you.
Now, what do you think of the beauty of Kashmir so far?
Very picturesque. It's like picture postcards that you see, na? when you go to a bookstore or something like that. Those picture postcards, you see, I wish I was there. Now I'm there.
Kashmir is really like it's a very picturesque city when you look at all the very nice, lovely greenery. So it was like I felt like it was in like a proper hill station. Yeah, it's nice to see all these things in person because when we used to see all the photos and stuff you all shared, coming and seeing it and experiencing is like completely different feeling altogether.
In person, nothing can beat that with your own eyes.
So if you're watching it from your home on your mobile and you're saying this is what it looks like, in person it's a lot more different. It's a lot more charming than how you think it is.
What made it more special was watching them take it in. Two sets of parents, open eyes, no complaints, no managing required. Just showing up and letting the place do what it does. Which is either a sign of how far we've all come, or a reminder that they were always more adaptable than we gave them credit for. Probably both.
चाय तो उधर है and each have their own vegetable patches now because of the ice hidden treasure.
More than ऊपर में it's difficult to walk around.
Walk also in need also 14,000 feet na
I suppose there's further one up.
that was and you can't
Gulmarg was the moment of the trip. My mother and brother had never seen snow before.
All this pain and torture of working in these shoes, absolutely worth it.
You have to Shah Rukh Khan.
What Shah Rukh Khan? That
Watching someone experience it for the first time as an adult is something I won't forget easily. There's a stillness to it, a moment where the brain catches up with the eyes before anything else happens.
Mirza, come confidently, don't worry, just come, nothing will happen.
some black tea, lemon tea, coffee, tea.
I love lemon tea.
Lovely. Thank you.
you need as much fattening things as possible.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
आलू and प्याज. One, two, smile. Full funny. हाँ. Smile. Awesome. Come there.
Nice stuff, nah? It looks really nice, very festive.
Yeah?
Looks really good. They've given you the right size also, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect.
Be careful.
And you open your thing.
That's the thing about enabling an experience like that for someone you love. The joy is doubled. You're experiencing the place and their experience of it at the same time. That's a completely different kind of high.
Amazing.
I thought they were all one piece.
No, the handle is always attached to it separately.
है ना पहचान वो हैंडल से ही करते हैं उसका 3 रबड़ होता है इसका सिंगल होता है टेनिस अगर माना अगर 3 लाइनें दिखे तो बोलना समझ लेना ये सीजन का बैट
Wow.
ये देखो हाथ में
Underneath there is flame. ये पत्थर है और वो उससे हीट होता है ना?
पत्थर से पत्थर के नीचे आग जलती है वो
Wow.
तो इससे क्या होता है बैट को?
ये लाइट वेट होता है ये सीजनिंग निकलती है इसके मॉइस्चर जो होता है वो पूरा
पूरा निकल जाता है.
तो कितना देर रखते हैं आप इसको?
इसको 1 महीना रखना पड़ता है
1 महीना.
Wow.
वो ज़्यादा
We just see them hitting sixes and all with it.
ये देखो ना इसमें नहीं है ना लाइट
करेक्ट हाँ. तो जितनी ज़्यादा लाइन उतना अच्छा सीजनिंग है.
ना सीजनिंग होता है वो अच्छा ऐड भी होता है उसको
तो एक बैट का लाइफ कितना होता है?
2 साल 4 साल जैसा बैट्समैन होगा
तो आप कोई कस्टम बैट भी बनाते हो किसी खिलाड़ी के लिए?
सचिन आया था यहाँ
अच्छा,
पहले, बहुत पहले, वो पुरानी फैक्ट्री में आया था।
ओके।
और कुछ दिन पहले ही आया था वो यूसुफ पठान, उसने भी दिया था।
हाँ।
10-20 दिया था उसने।
Because it's so thick.
Yeah.
Please delete that.
The perfect one that
Please
is.
delete that.
वीडियो ले रही हूँ। Because of house was also.
I never, to be honest with you, I've never taken so much money in my life.
This one.
Some of the best travel memories are the ones you didn't plan. There's a moment near the end of every trip where you become aware that it's ending.
So nice.
You look at things a little longer, take one more photograph. Traveling with your parents does something to that feeling. You become aware of time in a broader sense, of how quickly things change,
You look at this shit you have. Why don't you get up your head? You look at the government.
No, that is there, Perita. But
of how the people who once carried you through the world now let you carry them for a while. We grew up being taken on adventures by people who loved us. Now we get to return the favor. That's not nothing. That's everything.